giant, huge, massive hurricane that destroys the whole entire city. Palm trees get lifted off and bushes get destroyed and messed up. Roofs get damaged up and some apartments and windows get broken. People take shelter from this massive hurricane. Strong winds can push people a lot of times. People just dies from all this massive damage that they cause to do on the roads and streets and life. Everything that gets fogged up will get destroyed after its wind pushes all the air and leaves will come off trees, palm trees, bushes, and a lot of stuff. And palm trees will get snapped up, large trees will get snapped, roofs damaged, kind of like an EF3, and that's how strong it will be, and floods will happen, and then the stuck on the road, and then it'll block something because the trees will fall down on the road, and leaves come off the palm trees.
Inside the eye wall of Hurricane Irma.
Make sure to watch these videos. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And what would be your favorite kind of storm? See you later. Bye.